breaky, my breaky bake 2004 heart. Hey y'all, this is Christine at Gilliam Farms, and I'm so glad you came back to visit our channel. And if you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. If you're not already, you may want to think about subscribing after you watch this video and you like our content. And if you don't mind, after you watch the video and you like it, please give me a thumbs up. That helps my algorithm. So I was invited to a collaboration. It is called Break Your Heart Bake 2024. And this collaboration is being hosted by three channels that I consider friends, and I'm so glad they invited me. It is Ryan at Heavenly Hills Homestead, and Monica at Bland's Promised Land Ranch, and Tony at Kettle Kitchen. So they will have a playlist for all these videos that are going to be coming out every day this month in February. It'll be on Ryan's channel at Heavenly Hills Homestead. 3rd at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, there will be a live giveaway. There's going to be one of the ways you can win is, always watch each video and comment. That ups your opportunities to win I'm sure some wonderful prizes. And then also if you're there during the live, and there'll be a random picker for those that are on the live. So what are we gonna make for this Break Your Heart Bake 2024? I'm not much of a sweeter. Actually, I am, but sweets don't like me. So I try to stay away from them, but that doesn't mean I don't splurge every once in a while. But I want to do something, since it's a Break Your Heart and it's Valentine's Day. I really don't want to break his heart, but I do know one of my husband's favorite desserts, if you ask him, is a cheesecake. Now he likes strawberry cheesecake. I don't know if he's ever had chocolate cheesecake, but I know he likes the strawberry cheesecake. Not really sure what I'm going to be able to do on the strawberry, but we're definitely going to make a nice plain cheesecake, and we'll see how that goes, and we'll decide from there where we're going to go. I've got my handy dandy food processor here, and we're going to start making the graham cracker crust. So I'm going to put on my apron and get set up, and I hope you meet me back here in the kitchen. And I got a stool right over here waiting for you. Welcome back. Okay, let's get started. So we need 15 to 16 graham crackers. We're just going to put them in this handy dandy food processor. Okay, not everybody has a food processor. Many times, and because I'm lazy, won't get it out, I just put my graham crackers in a Ziploc bag, like a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, and get the old trusty rolling pin out and bash it, or use my fist, and just get it to a nice fine texture. So now what we're going to do is add 1/4 cup of sugar. So now that we have our sugar in here, we're going to blend in. I set aside our melted a 1/2 stick of butter, but we're looking for like 5 tablespoons of butter. Really, it's just looking at the consistency. So I pour a little bit in. I'm going to be watching for the texture. I want it to be like wet sand where it'll melt together, and that's just part of checking it. But I'd rather put a little butter in and then add butter as needed. So let's get after that. What I like to do is take my little measuring cup here, and I'm going to start pushing it against the sides. Now, I'm not as worried about the bottom as I am the sides, because I want the sides to have a nice edge on them. I'm going to keep working this around, and I'm going to build up the sides. Bake at 350 for less than 10 minutes. Be sure to check on it. We're going to put together our filling. Okay, a lot of cream cheese. It's cheesecake, what can I say? So 4.5 packages, 8 ounces package. So that's not my half. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry, this spatula's gonna get a whole lot worse before this is over. This is room, and I mean room temperature cream cheese. The way it incorporates well. You do not want to use cold cream cheese. Okay, I've got my whisk on. Let's get this incorporated. We're going to add our 1 3/4 cup sugar. It's a lot of sugar, but a cheesecake is very tangy, so it helps to kind of even it out. And then mix that in. It's a good time to add our salt, which is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of sour cream. That's room temperature. You have to scrape the bottom of this really good because it's me. So you can see some of it didn't get incorporated. So we're going to mix it up with this spatula. And again, I said it was going to get a lot worse than better. Good time to add our vanilla. Good vanilla, 2 teaspoons. If you know, you know. Now we're gonna add flour to our mixture to help bring everything together. It's gonna be 3 tablespoons, so not a lot, but we want to gradually add it into our current filling that we have. Don't want it to get lumpy. So what I'm gonna use is a sifter, and we'll see how this goes. Just slowly, I'm gonna add it in. Okay, the last part of this to make it silky smooth is we're gonna add 5 eggs. Now this recipe is from the Preppy Kitchen, and I'll put their link in the recipe in my description box. The original recipe called for 5 eggs plus 2 egg yolks, so 7 egg yolks. I am going to just do 6 eggs total, and we'll see how it goes. Worked last time. We're gonna slowly add them in. We're going to do it on medium speed. And the oven is preheated to 350. Once we put this in the oven, we're going to bake it for 10 minutes at 350, and then we'll turn it down to 300 and let it bake for another 40 to 50 minutes. In the oven it goes. Now it's time to clean up. See you in a bit. All right, well, good morning, everybody. It's the next day. We had to let this wonderful, beautiful looking cheese chill for 6 hours at a minimum in the refrigerator. So I put it in last night after I got done baking. I'm going to probably put this back in the refrigerator till Johnny gets home. He's out working the cattle. I've got some things I gotta get done. So I do have this strawberry drizzle jam from Lisa at Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa that Johnny absolutely adores, since I don't have something, fresh strawberries or anything. So this is gonna be awesome. I just know it. So I'm looking forward to him getting, serving this to him. So I think he'll be surprised. So I'll show that surprise when we get back. So hang out.
Wow.
Baby.
What?
What are you doing?
I was going to get a piece of cheesecake. Man, that looks really good. Really, really good. I mean, did you just make this?
Yeah, I made it for a church thing.
Oh, okay, great. So, what?
No, I made it for you. I'm teasing. You want a piece?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Did you see what I have right here?
Oh, wow.
You know what that is?
Miss Lisa's strawberry drizzle jam. Oh, there we go. Look at there. Look at that, strawberry drizzle.
I probably didn't cut this big enough where I can easily get this out for you.
Yeah, he's trying to cut too small a piece
I know, and
for me.
It's telling on me.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's try this out.
You like it?
That's fantastic. Oh my gosh.
Well, try just the cheesecake without the strawberry, because it's probably her strawberry that makes it fantastic. Is that good too, though? So good pairing. Okay, y'all have it. The farmer's happy.
Absolutely
All
happy.
right. Thank y'all for spending yesterday with me and this morning with me, so he can sneak a piece. Yeah, he's gonna be eating on this for days. Thank y'all for being a part of this. Don't forget to check out all the other channels that I'll be posting for this collaboration. And as always, we want to say thank you for being here. God bless and peace be with you. Until we see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Is it? Wow. Wow. So what you could do if you don't have a food processor, I've done it many a times. I just get a Ziploc bag and get my handy dandy, what is it called? What is it called? Cool, a refrigerator. Oh my gosh. The last,